Okay, we've had some product come in for our FZ600 project. So we've got tank. This is the KBS system. It's a three-part system to remove all of the rust from the gas tank and then coat it with some sealer. So I've already put the KBS clean in it, 1-to-1 mixture, hot water, and then I put a piece of wire with some nuts on it to agitate. I'm just going to put this down for a second. Hear what I'm saying. So you can hear that in there, and I keep moving the position every 10 minutes or so for about 40 minutes, and then apparently I can then drain the tank of the cleaner and rinse it out, and then I can put in the rust blast. We've also got a K&N air filter. We've got the spark plugs. What else came in? The carbs are being rebuilt downstairs, but I've had a problem with one of the pilot jets. It's all gummed up. Can't get it clean. It's in here. I don't know if you can see that. Soaking in some carb cleaner. I don't know what else to do. They don't recommend using wire or anything like that, but I may have to use like a syringe or something to get down through that hole because it just will not come clean. The other ones I can see light through. This one I can't see light through. So I will have to talk. Maybe I'll bring that over to Auto Shop. Maybe they can help me over there with some better compressed air than my little compressor will pull out. But other than that, we are deep into this project, and we will give you an update later. Thanks for joining. FZ Dreams 87 out.